Namaskara. I'm Dr. Sunita Rana Agarwal from Dr. Agarwal Hospitals, Bangalore. I'm an eye surgeon and doing gene therapy and stem cells today. Why this Diwali? Any Diwali, and why this day? Any day. We need to have safety tips for our kitchens. In our kitchen, first thing is, as soon as you enter the kitchen, of course you washed your hands and you've kept everything. It is far better for us today to please wear an apron. Do not wear nylon clothes or silk clothes inside the kitchen, and keep your arms free at least up till the elbow. So we are talking up till the elbow means you must go up till here. When your arms are free from here and you have tied yourself down on an apron, you've more or less curtailed everything else. Now all you need is put up your hair and you're ready to go. In the kitchen, you want to keep your cutting boards and your cutting equipment in a separate line, in a separate area, and you want to keep all your oil material and your deep frying equipment in a separate area. When you have a cutting board and you've finished your cutting, here itself you want to be careful that you don't cut your fingers. So, of course, you must have the first aid kit ready here as well. What do we have in our first aid kit? Gauze, bandage, some antiseptic lotion and antibiotics. Cream, just outside cream. So we are ready to, and band-aid. So you want to be ready with the band-aid when and if you ever do get cut, or if there is an oil splash. You want to keep always water ready. Water is our backbone, and that will treat just about any condition that we have. Once you've covered yourself, you've geared yourself, whether you're playing Diwali or you're cooking in the kitchen, it's the same thing. First gear yourself, make your field ready, make yourself ready, and be prepared for an emergency.